This is 6.1, code number 152001. It's distributive property. This skill is about factoring, distributing, and it's also about simplifying. You will use this throughout your high school career with math. So there's two types of problems. You have distributing. So with this one, we multiply both the terms by the GCF. This is considered the GCF, and you'll see what I mean when we get down to here. So I multiply 9 times 5, which is 45 plus, keep that. I have to multiply the 9 times 2r. So 9 times 2 is 18, and I just keep the variable. I don't forget to multiply times both terms. So 4 times 6 is 24. Keep the plus sign. 4 times 7 is 28x. Okay? That is distributing. You're distributing the GCF into the other factors. The other one is factoring out. So this involves a little more work. You have to find the GCF. You have to divide both terms by the GCF, and then you rewrite it. So finding the GCF is a whole skill of its own. You can go through that process to find the GCF. In this case, 7 is the GCF of 35 and 21. So 7 is like the number outside here. Then I divide each number by 7. 21 divided by 7 is 3, and I keep the variable. Plus, keep the sign. 35 divided by 7 is 5. I have rewritten it the same way as I did up here in this one. If I were to multiply this back through, I would get 21z plus 35. They're opposite procedures. So again, finding the GCF, you have to work on that if that's a struggle for you. 10 is the GCF for these two numbers. For 170, the GCF is 10. So my GCF goes right here. 10 times 10 is 100. 10 times 70 divided by 10 is 7. I keep the P. And again, if I were to multiply this through, 10 times 10 is 100. 10 times 7 is 70p. So I find the GCF. I divide both by the GCF, and then I rewrite it. This is skill number 152001, distributive property.